My name is Rosalynn Mworia. I'm the Director for Corporate Affairs at Vodacom Tanzania. I am completely excited to be taking part in Data Tamasha 2021, and the main reason is that the platform that Data Tamasha is, or what it has been for us for the past couple of years, has been a platform to discuss a lot of the policy issues that come into play when we speak of digital economy, especially for this year. This is the theme for the year: unleashing data for digital economy. And these are the pertinent discussions we've been having in the recent past because of 4IR, because of where the world is today. When you speak of digitizing a nation, you're speaking of what each stakeholder has to bring to the table to move this nation through the 4IR journey and onto greater heights. It's very encouraging to see that this is a theme that is also supported heavily by policy as well. We've heard our president speak about a digitized Tanzania. We've heard multiple stakeholders speaking of this. And us as Vodacom have a key role to play as well. As you all know too well, this is something that brings different players to the table. We are one of those players. We've been playing in this space for many years, since 2000. Today, if you look at agriculture, if you look at education, if you look at connectivity, infrastructure, all these are key components of digitizing a nation and its economy for sure. So taking part in Data Tamasha 2021 is an absolute no-brainer for us. We are taking part in key discussions that are going to influence policy and really take Tanzania to greater heights. Very excited to take part, bring in our thoughts and those of the industry at large, best practices and all that.